morning. I just woke up and I am going to make a coffee. It is so gloomy today, but I thought I would do a little morning routine like the old days, vlog style. Really fun to film, show you guys what I do throughout my morning. It's very gloomy. This is the current morning lineup. My coffee and then these Ritual stress relief capsules. I just learned this, but did you know that cortisol typically peaks in the morning? Because I did not know that. But since I learned that, I've been incorporating these stress relief capsules into my morning routine. And I have my coffee. I was definitely a little bit skeptical about a stress relief capsule at first. I just didn't know if that was like a real thing or if it would really work. I try and do a lot of things to like manage my stress, which is why I got really into journaling, meditation. I went through a phase of that, which I need to start doing again. I also have noticed a really big difference taking the Ritual stress relief. I've been taking them. This is my second bottle, so month 2. So this is like a 3-in-1 capsule and it's designed to start releasing immediately once you take it, but then it also continues to release over 8 hours throughout the day. So it's good to take it in the morning. All clean ingredients, gluten-free, vegan, all the good things, and it's also third-party tested. So there are no traces of heavy metals and all that bad stuff. It's also, you can do on Ritual like a subscription base, so it's just delivered to you monthly. I'm gonna take 1 citrus capsule. I like that you don't feel like drowsy or sleepy because of L-theanine. I'm gonna have my coffee, but I just want to say a big thank you to Ritual for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys want 25% off your first order, you can click the link in my description box and I'll also have it written on the screen. It's pretty cold, but it's nice because I'm in a hoodie. That's the best sound. There are a bunch of bird nests up in our roof and this is just the most peaceful thing to listen to in the morning. For the day. We're on the lake, so it's pretty casual. I feel like I'm not really doing that much to get ready. Oh, but guys, we went into this farmer's market in town and they were selling these little clips and they're so cute. Go up and down. Anyway, I might leave my hair down for the sake of this video. I'm always getting questions on what my skincare routine is, so I just figured I'd show you what I've currently been doing. My skin is cleansed. I love her stuff. I feel like the standout product to me is this glazing milk. I feel like it just gives me a really nice glow. I'm gonna open my lymph nodes. Gua sha. I'm doing this like 10 times. Then I'm taking Medicube's triple collagen serum. I did a deal with Medicube on Instagram for a reel and I had heard of them before and I tried it obviously before doing the deal, but ever since that moment of trying the product, this was the featured sponsored product, but they sent all their skincare to use with it and now I'm obsessed. I love Korean beauty, I love Korean skincare. This is a Korean company and I think it's hydrating and glowy and gorgeous and you should try it. And this is obviously not sponsored by them, but and then just for like ultimate hydration, I'm taking the Medicube collagen jelly cream. This is not what I do every morning. This is obviously a lot of hydration, but I've been in a very dry location. You guys, also very randomly, the sun fully came out today, so it's now stunning, which is very exciting. And that's pretty much how the weather goes here. It can be raining, and then the next hour it's 100 degrees and sunny. Booster. Level 1. Level 4. I do a higher level since I use this often, but obviously start with a low level. This helps push in the skincare 800 times more than your hands would. So if you do have expensive skincare that you really want to see the benefits of, or you just want to be glowy, I really like it. I just put this workout set on and we're gonna go for a walk now. I feel like this is something I really have been loving. That's my morning routine at the moment, because where I currently am, there are just like beautiful walking trails. It makes me feel really good, and obviously the dogs love it. I've been going with my sister and our best friends, and it's just been really nice. So we're doing a morning walk, and I thought I would bring you. And I'm gonna link my workout set. It's from Amazon. Can you believe that? So I'll put a link to it below. Let's go. If you can get out on a walk in the morning with this around you, do it for me. I've been making a really nice Greek yogurt bowl pretty much every morning. So that's what I'm gonna make today for all the girls. I must show how cute this is. Look at this little mushroom straw cap. So your straw doesn't get dirty, but it has a cute little face. They have a 4-pack on Amazon with different colors. I can put it on my link to know it.